solve this together. The question says if log 2 to the base 7 is equal to A, and log 3 to the base 7 is equal to B, and log 5 to the base 7 is equal to C. Solve for log 0.09 to the base 7. So let's solve this together. Okay, so first of all, let's try to convert this number to make it simple for us, which is the 0.09, and we know that 0.09 is the same as what? 1, 2. So we have 9 out of 100, right? Okay, so let's use that instead. So let's write it this way. Now let's say log to the base 7 into brackets 9 out of 100 instead of the 0.09. Okay, now that we have it this way, we can then say that using the rule which says that for example, if we have log let's say if you have, let's say, log A to the base B, right? And here maybe A or C, for instance, like this, is the same as log to the base B. Then you write your A minus log to the base B with your C. Okay, so let's use that same thing here, right? So we would therefore say that, let me clean this. Okay, so we would therefore say that this is the same as log to the base 7, 9 minus log to the base 7, 100. Okay, now let's go to the next step. So now that we have it this way, we can actually see that we have, let's write our log 7 here, and 3 raised to the power 2 will give us what? 9. So let's write it here, minus. Now this is where it gets interesting, because we have 100 here. We can furthermore, break it into other numbers, to make it easy for us. So log 7 into bracket 4 times 25, right? That will give us 100. Okay, now our 2 will come here. Okay, so we'll have 2 log 7 3 minus, we expand this, and multiplication becomes positive, becomes addition. So we have log 7 4 plus log 7 25. Okay, let's put it into brackets. Okay, so now that we have that, what do we do next? Let's go to the next step. We have 2 log 7 3 minus, this is the same as log to the base 7 2 raised to the power 2, right? Plus log to the base 7 5 raised to the power 2. Okay, close. This is equal to, now what do we do? This negative has to multiply through, so we have 2 log 7 3 minus log 7 2. We have 2 here. Okay, plus these two will move down here. So no, the multiplication, the negative sign will multiply through. So we have negative here, 2 log 7/5. Okay, so now that we have that, what do we do next? Now we can see that in our question it says that log 2 to the base 7 is a, log 3 to the base 7 is b, and log 5 to the base 7 is what? C. So coming here, we can replace the logs in there with their real what it's been assigned to them. So let's write is equal to here. So we have here 2, this will be replaced with b, minus 2, this here will be replaced with a, minus 2, this here will be replaced with what? C. Okay, so here let's factor out 2 because 2 is common among them. So we have 2 into bracket b minus a minus c. Okay, so that would be your final answer. Please pause the video for about a minute or two and try to solve it yourself and see whether you can understand it. Okay, so let me take you through lightly again for you to understand. So we change the 0.09 to 9 out of 100. We insert it into the equation to make it simple for us, and then we use the rule that says division, which means that we can subtract in log. Then the next step says that we broke down the 100 to make it 4 times 25, and then we did we broke it down and make sure that things became simple, and then after that we inserted the values that or the alphabets that were assigned to the values. So that's how we got this answer. So thank you very much for watching, and please make sure you subscribe. If you don't understand anything, please reach out to us and we will explain it for you. Thank you. Bye bye.